if you want to speak English very fast, so practice is much more important. So total game is depend on practice and mistakes. It's really important. ChatGPT is the one of the best application that you can speak any kind of language. You can easily understand, you can easily speak and cover up all vocabulary, structure, grammatical mistakes, all of things. And that's the thing that you can easily do every single day, because the result is not in your hand, but your efforts or your discipline is your hand, and we can do this every single day. That's it, that you have to do every single day, and that's enough. If you are able to easily understand English, or if you are really able to understand vocabulary, or lot of grammatical rules and whatever, but you don't able to speak English, to deliver your thoughts at the right place at the right time, so how it will improve your English? So don't worry about that, because in this video I will definitely tell you how to improve your English, and what is the main thing that really helpful to improve your English. So if you are don't able to speak English, or you're making mistake, so in this video I will definitely tell you some ideas. It's really helpful. So watch this video till the end, and let's jump on today's topic. Okay, so what is the thing is very important, very essential to speak in English? Let me tell you. Because when it's come to speak in English, when it's come to practice in English, it's really helpful a lot, because every single day practice make man perfect, right? Practice make man perfect, and practice is very much important, very much crucial thing when it start to English speaking journey. You can easily understand English, you can easily cover up vocabulary, you can easily cover up simple or strong phrases, but you don't able to deliver a structure to English, or deliver your English, your thoughts in English, so you don't cover up easily. So that is the main thing. Practice is much more important, because a lot of people, they think I am making confused, or I feel underconfident, or sometimes introvert. But when you think I'm making mistake, I know I'm making mistake, but I'm easily understand English, but when I try to speak in English I'm making mistake, it's totally fine. Okay, because uh, when you try to practice in English, when you try to speak in English, that time, that the moment it's happened, improve your vocabulary, improve your grammatical mistake, improve your thinking power, thinking ability, and that's the moment, that's the thing that easily cover up, because practice is much more important. And against thing is, next thing is, making mistake is important, because when you make more mistakes, that time you will understand, you can easily understand, you can easily cover up a lot of things, lot of structure. Okay, grammatical rules, vocabulary, pronunciation, most preferred pronunciation is most important, and it's really helpful to improve your English. Okay, because somebody peoples, they want, my English is very slow, I can easily speak in English very slowly, but I want to improve my English in the fast way rather than simple. But let me tell you one thing, it's very essential. But when it comes to practice in English, you feel totally blank. And if you want to improve your English very fast, if you want to speak English very fast, so practice is much more important. So total game is depend on practice and mistakes. It's really important. In my journey of English, I'm making practice, and still I'm making practice. Also making mistake, and both are the thing is really helpful to improve English. And I started my English journey very nervousable, and I don't interested about most in English. But I thought, okay, it's important for interview, for my job, for my career, so that's why I started my English journey. And right now I feel very confident, very extraordinary, because this language is not just a language, it's a skill. And when you start, this skill is very you know when you put your 100%, when you achieve this target that you wanted, so you'll feel very extraordinary or wonderful. That's the thing. And that's what I'm telling here. English is just a language, and this language improve practice and repetition. And I can understand your surrounding, your background, and your entire thing that not in English, but you can easily cover up. You can watch those video content in English and make your whole entire in just English. At least 30 minutes, 1 hour, it's more than enough, more than sufficient to uh, make this English entire or surrounding. It's very important, because I can understand we are village here and here not a surrounding like in English. So we can easily cover up those things. It's not we can say not here a lot of what I mean to say, resources here, and I don't able to do my 100%. I don't able to because I am a college student. I and both of the things I don't manage. So don't worry, do not worry about that. You don't manage all of things, but just 30 minutes is enough, more than enough. You don't need uh, to spend your whole day or entire day in just English language, right? Just a 30 minutes you can easily cover up to speak in English, to read, just like 10-minute reading, 15 to 10 minutes speaking, watching something content in English, just sufficient. But just consistency, just consistently is you are putting those things, it will automatically build up, it will automatically cover up. So that's what I'm telling you. It's not very much hard or very much difficult. It's very simple thing. Because when you start your journey, or when you think like it's a very, you know, wonderful thing that I can easily cover up, so your mood or your, you know, thinking power or your mindset will automatically change. That's why I'm still making this change my mindset and start to improving myself and just do something different. uh, I am doing something exceptional. Okay. And the next thing is, ChatGPT is more than sufficient. Okay. Because ChatGPT is the one of the best application that you can speak any kind of language. You can easily understand, you can easily speak and cover up all vocabulary, structure, grammatical mistake, all of things. Okay. It's a very important thing. And but you don't need to stop your journey because you feel tired, you feel lazy, or sometimes that's I don't feel like better because of some fear. And that's why, but I still am working on it. I don't stop, I don't want to stop my journey. That's the thing, that whatever here happening, you just need to focus, you just need to stay there and just go ahead, not give up. That's why I'm telling you, it's very much better. Whatever you start, whatever you think, anything is better. Any And you know what, every single day is new opportunity for us, new chance, new beginning for us. So every single day you can focus on them, focus on just our goal and target, and nothing we can change, just like our hard work, our every single day our efforts. And that's the thing that you can uh, easily do every single day, because the result is not in your hand, but your efforts or your discipline is your hand, and we can do this every single day. That's it, that you have to do every single day, and that's enough. And definitely the output result will come very wonderful. So you don't think about, and just let me tell you one thing, you don't think I'm able to do this, I'm able to do that or not. So don't think about that, just think positive, I can do it, I can do, and I'm doing right now. That's the thing. And any kind of thing that we can do, any kind of thing. So don't think negative, just think positive, I can do it and I'm doing. Thank you universe for all of things that with me, or I have a lot of things. Thanks for us, uh, thanks for all of this. And that's it, everything is happened very essential. So stop fear about taking action, because life is very beautiful. Every moment, every time, it's a very new it's a big opportunity for us, so we can enjoy all of things. Don't afraid about our action. Okay, take action, enjoy your life, and just you know feel much better. That's enough. So that's thing we can practice in English. That's uh, topic easily we can cover up in English journey. So start your English journey and speak like this. And if you like this video, so don't forget like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.